If you've ever searched for the best time to post on Instagram, you've probably seen the same advice everywhere. Post at 6 p.m., avoid Sundays, publish in the morning, and so on. The problem is that most of this advice is too generic to actually help you, because the best posting time depends on your audience, your niche, your country, and even the type of content you create. A meme page, a fashion brand, and a B2B founder account do not behave the same way at all. And in 2026, timing still matters, just not for the reason people think. Instagram is no longer purely chronological. A reel can continue getting views for days, but the first interactions after posting are still extremely important because they help Instagram decide whether your content deserves more distribution. So instead of copying random posting schedules from the internet, the smartest thing you can do is use your own data. Here's how. Go to your Instagram profile, open Insights, then go into Total Followers. If you scroll down, you'll see the hours and days where your audience is most active. This is one of the most useful pieces of data Instagram gives you for free. And here's the first mistake most people make. They post exactly at the peak hour. Usually it's better to post slightly before. If your audience is most active at 8 p.m., posting at 7:30 gives your content time to pick up engagement before the traffic peak starts. If you wait until 8 p.m., you're competing with everyone else posting at the same time. Another thing people ignore is that different formats behave differently. Stories usually work better during habitual moments throughout the day, like mornings, lunch breaks, or before sleeping. Reels are more discovery-based, so what matters most is generating strong engagement early. And carousels often perform better during hours where people are more willing to stop and actually read. Now, external studies can still be useful. Companies like Buffer, Later, or Metricool analyze millions of posts every year, and the patterns are usually similar. Weekdays tend to outperform weekends, and mid-morning or early evening are often stronger time slots. But those studies are averages. They combine creators from completely different industries and audiences, which means you should treat them as a starting point, not as a rule. The best approach is to test. Pick 2 or 3 time slots for a few weeks and compare the results. Not just likes, look at saves, shares, watch time, and reach. Because a post with slightly fewer likes but more shares is often a much stronger signal for the algorithm. And honestly, timing is only an amplifier. A great reel posted at the quote-unquote wrong hour will usually outperform a weak reel posted at the quote-unquote perfect time. The accounts growing fastest right now are not obsessing over finding a magical posting hour. They build systems, analyze patterns, and adapt based on their audience instead of copying generic advice from the internet. If you found this useful, subscribe for more videos like this, and we'll see you in the next one.